YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, a lot has changed. I can't even say that nothing has changed. Normally I would open the video saying nothing's changed, but guys, a lot's changed. The bear market is definitely in. Bitcoin breaking down to the bottom position just the other day. I wasn't able to get a video up yesterday, but making one today because my inbox is getting flooded on Twitter. For those of you guys who don't know, also, my Instagram got banned for impersonating myself, apparently. So I'm trying to prove my identity to Instagram, and hopefully I'll be back on Instagram. It's just really crazy that when my Instagram goes down, Bitcoin finally capitulates. Finally, we get some action out of this thing. It either breaks to the up or to the down position. And a lot of people have been asking me, even in my Telegram group, what am I doing right now? What's my plan for Bitcoin? How low can this thing go? And just what am I doing in life to prepare for this recession? Because that's really what we're looking at, guys. We're looking at a global recession, in my opinion. This is going to be like nothing we've ever seen in our entire lives. People are already talking about food shortages and things like that. I did start a living garden, so actually have my girlfriend outside right now. She's working in the garden and helping us start that up. But we've been gardening now for 2 months, guys. So we've been already preparing for this market correction. We've been preparing for these food shortages. And yeah, so this is something that you guys want to take into consideration because it's not going to matter how much money you have if you go to the store and there's no food in the store. But will Bitcoin be our hedge against inflation, guys? Will Bitcoin still hit 100K by 2023? It's hard to say. It's really hard to say. This is an extremely speculative market. I can say technical analysis wise where we can look at this thing bottoming out. If this is, not kind of our bottom right now, we could possibly see an $18,000 Bitcoin. If that happens, we could probably see between $750 to $800 Ethereum. That's when I would be shopping 18K Bitcoin or $750 Ethereum. Again, that's when I'm loading my bags right now. I'm really not loading my bags. If you guys are in the red right now in your projects, again, I can't give you financial advice. I would tell you, if you're going to sell for a loss, that's on you, but you're not losing in crypto until you sell your coins. And if this bull rally is still going to kick off, if we can see another altcoin rally, if we could see Bitcoin still hit 100K, you might regret selling off here. So that's something you also need to take into consideration. Will we see a big price pump tomorrow? That's really what we need to know, and what we want to look for is some kind of action for the bulls, guys, because right now it is just not a lot of fighting back from the bulls. It's a lot of shorts. A lot of people are afraid after that report that came out over interest rates being up 8.6%, even though, guys, this is something that we already knew. We already knew that the cost of living has been going up. We already knew that gas prices have been going up. But to see just how bad it is all around the world has really dropped the price of Bitcoin tremendously, which, again, doesn't make sense because Bitcoin's supposed to be our hedge against inflation. So let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think? Do you think Bitcoin is an awesome still hedge against inflation? Do you think this market is just too manipulated right now? Because, again, guys, this crypto market is still very much in its infantile stages. Our market cap is now under $1 trillion, literally. We are in $1 billion market. That is absolutely insane to say in crypto because we've been sitting over $1 trillion market cap now for over a year and a half. So, yeah, to see us dropping down, this could really, really lower, actually, if Bitcoin does decide it wants to pull down to 18K. And guys, understand that the smaller this number gets right here for Bitcoin, the more volatile these swings are going to be. You're going to see 15% sell-off, 20% sell-off, things like this. And the reason why you weren't seeing that before, again, was because Bitcoin, was over $800,000 not too long ago. So, or $800 billion market cap not too long ago. So as you guys can see, the 24-hour volume for Bitcoin up 109% today. And unfortunately, the majority of this is shorts if you're bullish on Bitcoin. But again, guys, you can make money on the way down too. That's what we've been talking about also in these Bitcoin videos that I've been making constantly, guys. We've been talking about how it might not be a bad time to put in a short. It might not be a bad time to, start taking positions against the market because, again, technical analysis have been showing us for quite some time that, especially after this, guys, after we rejected this cup and handle here and we created this head and shoulders, this was not good. This was not good. And then when we broke down here, I was really concerned. So again, at 28K, I said I was concerned, and then we dropped down even more. And now we can see a bigger sell-off, guys. How big? Only time will tell. Only the whales will know. Only you guys can dictate it too. We're going to keep covering it on this channel. But yeah, those are our lines of supports and resistance that we want to, watch out for right now. Let me know in the comments below your guys' strategy for Bitcoin too. What are you guys doing right now? What are you doing for your families to hedge against this inflation? Like, we're starting our garden. What are you guys doing? I would love to know. We're always about helping each other on this channel, whether it be about crypto or just about just making it, guys, in life financially and just surviving. That's what really this is all about, guys. And that's what I think that really things are going to come down to is survival. So yeah, hopefully Bitcoin will be our way to freedom financially, as well as hopefully the market will recover too for stocks, because things are just absolutely getting wrecked. And it's really sad to see a lot of people losing a lot of life savings right now and stuff like that, guys. But we're not going to over leverage into crypto, right? We're not going to go throw our entire bank account right now into cryptocurrency or into the stock market, because we don't over leverage. We're not like these people who came into this with their entire butts and they're absolutely getting wrecked right now, right? We've been dollar cost averaging in, right? Like, that's what I said. We should be shorting the market. Well, that's what I'm doing. I'm shorting the market and I'm dollar cost averaging in. I'm looking to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, guys. I'm not looking to shop for crap coins. That's that's why I haven't been making videos about crap coins for the past year, because, guys, we have not been sitting pretty for the past year, guys. So yeah, now Bitcoin finally capitulating. How long can this capitulation last? In my opinion, guys, honestly, this capitulation could possibly last. I made an estimate. I said 8 years, and I know a lot of people are not going to like that, but it could last 8 years. I think with the war, it just depends. But yeah, that's just my opinion. It could last, a couple months. We could still see 100K Bitcoin in 2023. It's all speculative. But yeah, guys, things change on the dime of a drop of a hat. A little bit of news, everything could change. So we're going to keep covering on this channel. If you got anything out of this video, let me know in the comments below. Catch you next video. Peace.